Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create these glowing star ripped jeans on Dress to Impress. So you are going to use this one over here, and I'm going to make the rips the star one, and I'm also going to turn off the flower here. Obviously you don't have to, but that's just what I'm doing right now. I'm also going to change the color of these. Again, you don't have to. Then for the glowing stars, you're just going to use this. It looks kind of off from the back, but from here it looks fine. I'm just going to change it to the paint color that I have on. Then we're going to go to materials and we're going to select the neon one for the glowing stars look. I think I might make it a little bit of a darker pink, this one. Actually, I like this one better. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. It's super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.